It was extremely challenging for something that we feel is quite a simple plan now. If you look through the number of sketches and plans that we came up with, we went through hundreds, I reckon. We tried different areas of the site and tested different areas, stayed there, lived on the site, and it spent a lot of time there. Something that we worked really hard on as a team in the office and with the clients was actually analysing the sun throughout the year and also the wind in that environment. And as simple as that sounds, it was quite important to ensure that the roofs were at the exact angle, and you're never going to get it exactly right, but it's trying to ensure that in those really hot summer days when the sun is just beating down, that you do have that canopy of shade. The plan generates around two key things, I think, and that's sight and orientation, because views are out to the south, sun's coming in from the north, but then around a spine that connects the building. So you have the pavilion where the master quarters are and the garage, so you can arrive, enter the house, and then be into your master bedroom, and then be in another pavilion which is the living room, and then kids' quarters, let's say, which is extended and connected through a boardwalk, we call it, or a spine. The stone walls which you see, which sort of cap each pavilion on each end, on the east and west, are all quarried from the site. So fortunate enough that the client loves machines and toys, he pulled out boulder-sized stones and rocks and pulled them down, and we had the most amazing tradesmen and stonemasons that chipped it all down and built these incredible stone walls from scratch. With the stone walls capping each end, it was essentially just glass to the north and to the south. We worked fairly extensively in trying to find the right glazing product. The thermally broken section is quite important to us. We have worked really hard in sealing the building up to the window frames, and so we just didn't want to then lose all of that work through the frames themselves. The thermally broken window system is probably one of very few in the market that will also perform in terms of weight and operation of the windows. We did have some real difficulties with bushfire in that environment. The ability for the window system to perform in a bushfire area and to have bow rating is critical. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to not only have the opening sizes that we have and the window openings, we would have had to do numerous gymnastics with screens and drop down things and sprinklers in order to try and protect the facades of the building. So the AWS system definitely allowed us some flexibility. I think the construction phase has been the most exciting part. You get to engage with those tradesmen, like I said, with the stonemasons that are chipping away at these big boulders. It's quite an interesting thing to be able to do, and then to step back and see it all unravel and unfold, and I think the whole thing's exciting. I just love building buildings. That's true.